Okay, next we will be solving a problem on Butterworth filters, analog filters. The design, whatever we are going for, is based on analog filters. It may be low pass, high pass, or band reject. Here is a problem is given. They given what is already wrote how what are the given points, that is attenuation in the pass band is of AP is equals to 2 dB, here 2 dB, and then acceptable attenuation at the stop band is of 20 radians per second, and a stop band should be more than 10 dB beyond 30 radians per second. Okay, what are these are the given information. Based on that we wrote what are given, that is attenuation in pass band is of 2 dB, how much we are going for. Next, pass band edge frequency is taken as omega p, means 20 radians per second. Where you are going to stop, that is of at attenuation at 10 dB and stop band edge frequency at 30 radians per second. Okay, based on this we have to design our filter. Next, what you have to do, we have to determine what is our order and also what is our cutoff frequency. Okay, to find the order n, we are going to use this equation. N is equals to log square root of 10 raised to 0.1 as attenuation at stop band minus 1 divided by 10 raised to minus 0.1 attenuation at the pass band minus 1 divided by log omega s divided by omega p. We know all the values, just substitute here, you will be getting a value. Observe here, if you get exact value, keep that value as it is. If you are getting 3 point of any values, go for the higher order, don't choose the lower values. Okay, even though if you get 3.2 or 3.1, choose for the higher one. For that reason here we used the order as 4. In between 3 and 4 means you go with the higher order only. Okay, that is what you have to choose when you are going to design. N is equals to 4. Next, cutoff frequency omega c is going to be taken by the equation 1 by 2 into omega p divided by 10 raised to 0.1 AP, you can write only AP also, dB is not required, minus 1 raised to 1 by 2n plus omega s divided by 10 raised to 0.1 as minus 1 power 1 by 2n. This is standard formulas. I already shared in a group with the images. Okay, you have to remember for the n and also for the omega c. These are all standard formulas. Next, after substituting omega c value like AP and AS, omega c and omega s, you will be getting omega c as 22 radians per second. Okay, first what we have to do, first we have to calculate the order, then cutoff frequency. After getting these two results, we have to go for the poles of HA of S. HA of S, transfer function of a given filter, Butterworth filter. For this we are going to solve for a Butterworth. Okay, what is the formula? Pk is equals to plus or minus omega c e power j n plus 2k plus 1 into pi divided by 2n. Okay, you have to use this. N we taken as 4, k we don't know, we have to find that. Substitute for n, we know what is our omega c. If you substitute, you will be getting the result as plus or minus 22 e raised to j 5, 4 plus 1 5 plus 2k pi by 8. I hope in your control system also you are going to use your in your which problems, like you will be calculating of pi in a different way. The methods are going to be same. There you are going to use a different way. Here also we are going to use a different one. Okay, then what you have to do, we have to substitute for k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. How to define k is going to be which variable? Based on the order. If it is n is equals to 4 means 0 to 3. If n is equals to 3 means 0 to 2. Based on the order what you are going to get, we have to choose those many number of k values. Here it's written k is going to vary from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, next if I substitute k is equals to 0, we will be getting of pole 0. Okay, just plus or minus 22 e power j 5 pi by 8. Okay, if you solve, you will be getting the two results because it's a plus and also for the minus sign. 22, what you have to do? 22 e power j theta means cos theta plus j sin theta. Use that formula, then multiply with the 2, you will be getting the result like this. Keep your calculating in radians. Then you will be getting minus 8.419 plus j 20.325. Then for plus you will be getting minus means sign will be changing here. In the same way we have to calculate for k is equals to 1. Just substitute in the equation, you will be getting of this result. Then k is equals to 2 and k is equal to 3. You will be getting the results like this. All are complex conjugate values. If you observe here, all are complex conjugate values. Next, what I will be doing, I will be taking the pairs. How to choose your pairs? First you have to take P naught minus 8.419 plus j 20.325. Then there is another value, keep that here, observe a small how to choose pairs. Here sign and here sign should be same, like that you have to choose. Okay, so P naught from this and then P3 of this I am going to choose, and I will be keeping that as pair 1. Then P1 of the first, then P2 of the first, again minus sign. This is your pair 2. Hoping you are understanding this. Okay, next, why we have to choose this means when we are going to tell a system is going to be stable, when you are going to tell you the system is going to be stable in control system, you learnt when a poles are going to exist towards your left hand side rather than right hand side. Okay, for that reason, to choose a stable values, for that reason we are going to choose a negative values. Okay, you will be going to use your real part and imaginary part here. Okay, same thing here also we are going to use of that. Why we chosen these pairs only? Because the values what I am taking, it's going to exist towards the left half of the S plane. Okay, but for that reason we have to choose that. A system, whatever it's going to design, it should be in a stable and also in a linear fashion. For that reason we are going to choose this. Okay, hoping you are understood. Next, we'll go with the next. After getting your values, what you have to do? We are going to combine of all the things, like we are taking S1 as S1 from P1 minus 8.419 plus j 20.325. Then S1 star means complex conjugate, here complex conjugate, and then S2 as P1 value, that is minus 20.325 plus j 8.419. Observe here all of the values what we taken in a negative means towards the stable system only. Poles are towards your LHS. Then S2 star, it's a complex conjugate of the value. Okay, then to find system function, HA of is a standard formula. Use this formula, omega c power n divided by s minus s1, s minus s1 star, in then s minus s2, s minus s2 star. We got our s1 star, s2 star. Also we got our omega c as 22 radians per second. Just substitute here 22 power n means 4. Okay, same thing you substitute in the given equation for s1 star, s2 star. Then you will be getting this. Solve for this. Use your a minus b a plus b, that is a square plus minus b square. Okay, same also here. Use the same, calculate for this, you will be getting the result. We will erase this. After solving, you will be getting the result as 22 power 4 divided by s square plus 16.838s plus 484 into s square plus 40.65s plus 484. This is what a unlock filter with a Butterworth approximation. Whatever the result you are telling, a approximate value for the Butterworth filter. This is how you have to solve a problem. First you have to find the order, cutoff frequency, then pole values, then complex values, then find the system function. These are all the steps you have to follow when you are going to solving the problems based on this. Okay. Next, here a small problem is given. Here they told a low pass Butterworth filter is used. Low pass Butterworth prototype unlock filter is given. We have to design a fourth order Butterworth band pass from low pass to band pass. Means low pass means it's going to be like this, but what we have to do, from low pass to band pass, we have to convert from this to this. When you are going to convert, the system function is going to be differing. How it's going for, from the equation we can understand here. What else they given? They given what is upper and lower bandage. They given 10 and 5. Means in this, if I am going to be taking a band pass, here it's given as 10 radians per second, then here 5 to 10, right? Means 5 to 10 radians per second they given. To do this, first what you have to do, which order it's given, we have to check with that. Here, hence order it's not given, we can take here as n is equals to 2. If it is not given means then only choose 2. Then step prototype filter, because we are going to transfer from low pass to band pass, the order is going to be doubled. So selecting a transfer function as HAN of S is equals to 1 by S plus 1. Then frequency transformation, these are all the table. I think I already shared of this, how it's going to be transformation is going for. Just once you go through those. Okay, low pass to band pass, when it is going for, S is going to be changing from S square plus omega L then into omega upper, lower and upper, okay, U divided by S into omega U minus omega L. We know what is omega L and omega U, lower and upper frequency, cutoff frequencies for band pass. Just substitute here S square plus 10 into 5 divided by S into 10 minus 5. Then you will be getting as S square plus 50 divided by 5S. Then this is not actual, this we want, it's a HAN of S we want, but actual HA of S is nothing but, wherever S is there, 1 divided by S, we in this we have to substitute our S value. This is what the S value we have to substitute in the given. Then I will be getting as HA of S. Okay, 1 divided by S square 50 divided by 5S plus 1. If you solve, you will be getting as 5S divided by S square plus 5S plus 50. This is how you have to solve a problem. You have to remember this. You have to remember this also. Okay. Next.